So we have this question, okay ba dividend fund? Add lang ba ng add? Alright, so he's talking about mga funds na nagbibigay ng regular dividends. So if you ask me, dividend funds, they are like the shortcut in dividend investing. So if gusto mo shortcut in dividend investing, invest in dividend funds. Okay, kasi ganito, yung dividend funds kasi is like they are managed by fund managers. So instead na ikaw yung mamimili ng mga different stocks, so sila na yung gagawa niyan for you. And then at the same time, yung mga dividend paying funds kasi, like they also give out dividends on a monthly basis. Okay, monthly basis. So basically, you invest in these dividend funds, they are fund managers investing for you, and then they give you dividends on a monthly basis. And yung gagawin mo lang is just add, okay? Just add and then reinvest the dividends back, okay? And again, as I mentioned, parang siyang shortcut because like, ito yung tinatawag na parang set and forget strategy. Like, you just set it up, you do auto-invest. In fact, right now, merong auto-invest feature na. So, probably, I'll put a link down in the description. Meron tayong video about that. Auto-invest feature. So, you just set it up and then every single month, nag-i-invest na yan. Okay? Automatic. And then every single month, meron kang dividends and you can reinvest back yung dividends automatically. So, parang set and forget talaga na strategy. So, if you ask me, dividend funds really like a shortcut in dividend investing. But then again, just like any kind of investments, kailangan mo rin alamin ano ba yung mga magagandang mga dividend funds that you wanna invest in. So yeah, if you ask me, dividend funds, are they worth it? Add lang ba ng add? Yeah, that's a pretty stable strategy that you can do. So it's like the simplest way to do dividend investing.